Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something super useful for anyone who uses WhatsApp regularly: how to create your very own custom list. Whether you want to keep your family, friends, or work contacts neatly organized, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so that all the newest features are available. Once the app is open, tap on the Chats tab. This is where you'll find all your active conversations, and now, your lists as well. Next, simply swipe down on the Chats screen. As you do that, you'll see a new section appear: your lists. If you haven't created any yet, don't worry. This is where we'll set up your first one. Now, look at the top of the screen and tap the plus icon. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up asking you to name your list. Choose a name that best describes what this list will be for, maybe family, friends, clients, or whatever suits your needs. Once you've named your list, it's time to add people or groups. Tap on the contacts you want to include. You can select as many as you like, mixing both individuals and groups to keep your communication streamlined. Take a quick look to make sure you've added everyone you need, then hit confirm. And just like that, your custom list is ready to go. You can now send messages to everyone in that list, share updates, or manage your chats more efficiently without mixing up your contacts. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay organized and save time. So, that's it, your quick, updated guide to creating a custom list on WhatsApp. Try it out today and make your messaging experience a whole lot smoother.